Semoga mengerjakan dengan mudah dan dapat nilai yang memuaskan. Jangan grogi ya, tetap semangat. Semangat.
Oke.
Sukses. Lakukan yang terbaik untuk hari ini. Jangan lupa senyum.
Keluarkan kemampuan terbaikmu, tunjukkan semangatmu, dan pastikan Kapuk 15 yang terbaik.
Halo guys, hari ini adalah Anbk hari pertama, yaitu siswa mengerjakan literasi dan survei karakter. Semoga untuk peserta didik dan peserta Anbk bisa mengerjakan dan diberi kelancaran serta kemudahan. Semangat untuk peserta didik dan anak-anak hebat.
Anbk untuk lebih serius ya, dibaca dulu soal-soalnya dengan cermat agar tidak menjawab kesalahan dalam pengisian atau jawaban di komputer. Nanti kalau misalkan ada yang kurang memahami, boleh tanya sama pengawas ya. Tapi ingat, tidak berisik ya, tetap serius, hati-hati dalam menjawabnya, karena kalianlah yang membawa nama baik sekolah kita Sdn Kapuk 15. Sebab itu Ibu dan Dewan Guru panitia Anbk mengucapkan terima kasih kepada kalian yang sudah terpilih mengikuti Anbk tahun 2023. Semoga hasilnya mendapatkan nilai yang terbaik untuk sekolah kita. Amin. Ibu akhiri, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things.
Selamat siang semua adik-adikku sekalian. Suaranya mana? Selamat siang adik-adikku semua. Gak usah grogi, gak usah takut. Ucapkan selamat siang Pak gitu. Selamat siang adik-adik semua. Ya, terima kasih. Bapak hari ini adalah pengawas yang sesi kedua. Udah pada kenal kan nama Bapak kan? Nah, puji syukur ya. Kalian gak usah grogi. Kalau kurang paham tanya sama pengawas ya. Kalau kurang mengerti tanya sama pengawas ya. Kalau misal Pak mau ke toilet silakan mau ke toilet ya. Tapi satu orang satu. Paham ya? Tidak semua tidak meninggalkan di ruang Anbk. Paham semua? Paham? Semua hadir semua ya. Bapak kan lihat semua hadir semua. Ya, semoga kalian bisa mengerjakan secara maksimal mungkin. Ya. Paham semua? Ya, gak usah grogi ya. Santai aja, enjoy aja ya. Ya. Ya, terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen, oh the irony. To hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm